What's up, you guys? Today we got a really exciting video. I'm going to be taking out this Aero Scout from Hobby Zone. I've modified the landing gear on this rear side of the plane and bent those arms a little bit so that they would be flat in order to affix my camera that I bought recently. I want to see if this Instago 360 is able to give us a bird's eye view here of this field that we're at. I'm going to take it up about, I'd say 500 to 1,000 feet. It is a little bit breezy. We have a little bit of wind, and we also have some clouds and weather coming through. So I want to take this thing up and see how high I can get it, and hopefully bring it down for a soft landing and see what it looks like. All right, we're gonna bring it in for a landing. Here we go. Okay, so the first flight was a success with the Hobby Zone Aero Scout. It did well. It had a little extra weight on this side like I figured it would. I was trying to find a good mounting spot for this on the plane, and I couldn't really find somewhere that would keep it very well balanced. So unfortunately it was to one side of the plane and added some additional weight. I was surprised at how much more trouble it had getting off the ground than normal. Granted, we were going over gravel to take off, but it did get up in the air. We were successful with the flight. I'm gonna go home and charge this battery up and possibly look into a different way to mount the camera preferably somewhere along the center line here without messing up the aerodynamics too much. I was thinking about cutting out some spots here, maybe in the nose cone or up top here, or even in the back area around here, and mounting it so that the camera is more along the center axis. It is a little bit windy today, and the front wheel is a little loose. We had the landing gear kind of come out a little bit there. I can take that home and fix it up though, no problem. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. We got more content coming. I want to try to take this camera here on more flights, and also on my RC boat and RC cars, because it's such a small camera, it can go pretty much anywhere. It's actually the Insta360 Go, and it's a really cool camera. So I'm looking to put this on multiple different RCs, so stay tuned for that. And like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.